Hey marketers, thanks for tuning in to another Tactical Tuesday with OM. Today I'm going to be walking you guys through the importance of Google Optimize and how to create an experience in Google Optimize. So first things first, Google Optimize is great for conversion rate optimization. Obviously, we always want to be making our website better because that's a better experience for our users and our traffic. With Google Optimize, you can test a variety of things. You can test headlines, button text, where sections are. There's a multitude of things you can test. When beginning your Google Optimize tests, we believe that you should start with some easy tests initially. So things such as testing headlines, testing the text on buttons to set that really good baseline, and then you can get more in depth. So, for instance, let's say we're testing our headline one. This is the first time we've used Google Optimize. To begin that experience, we're going to want to click Create Experience. So name your experience. Call this testing headline one. Select what page you want this test to run on. So for these guys, we will just select the home page, and then you can select what kind of test you want to run. At the onset, we like to use an A/B test. It's very controlled, just one variable against another. So we'll select the A/B test for this one. From here, you'll go into creating your experience, and the first thing you need to set is your targeting and variants. So we'll add our variant, call this variant headline 1, select done. Then you can set the weight of traffic that will be seeing this test. So we like to use a 50-50 split. So 50% of our traffic will see the original, 50% will see the variant headline. And now we're able to go in and make these changes. So you'll select edit. You'll select what you want to change. So headline 1, edit element, edit text. And we'll just call this Google Optimize walkthrough. From there, you select done, you save it, select done, and now we can preview our change here. So next, now that we have our variant headline set up and our targeting, we make sure that we're targeting our home page. Audience targeting, you can select if you want certain visitors to see this. We like to set it up, especially when we're testing a headline, just all our visitors to that page to be targeted. From there, you can add a description, say clear product messaging. In the description, we just like to put our hypothesis of why we are running this test and what we believe what will happen. From there, you have to link to your Google Analytics, one of the views. And the most important part, you're now setting your objectives. For this, because we are testing a headline, 2 of our main objectives for this specific website is a button click, and then a marketing form submit, which is where that button click directs. So for the button click, you have to create custom. Will be an event category, starts with button, select another, the action starts with click, and you can even go all the way down to exactly what button it is. So we'll have it be the home page, how it works. You save that. Name your primary objective. Then you can add a secondary objective. So as I said, it would be a marketing form submit. So we choose from list. That's our marketing site form submit. And these are pulled from Google Analytics. So that event is pulled, and this marketing site form submit event is a goal in Google Analytics. From there, you check your installation. It will either give you that it is installed or is not. And then from there, you start your experience. So again, Google Optimize is very important for conversion rate optimization. We highly advise that you use it. And if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks, guys.